Welcome to the future AI tools for your everyday life. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dexter Media Inc. Today, we're diving into something that's changing the game, artificial intelligence. AI is already here, making our everyday lives easier and more efficient. We're talking about managing emails, scheduling meetings, even writing that blog post you've been putting off. In this video, we're going to break down 5 of the coolest, most practical AI tools that I think you'll actually use. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for ways to simplify your day-to-day, stick around. Voice-activated assistants, your AI command center. Let's kick things off with something most of us are familiar with: voice-activated assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. These have become so commonplace that you probably don't even think of them as AI anymore. But the tech behind them is incredibly sophisticated. You can speak to your device, and it understands, processes, and takes action. Beyond basics like setting alarms or playing music, they can control your smart home devices, help you shop online, even give you traffic updates. Imagine saying, "Hey Google, what's the traffic like?" and getting a real-time report without touching your phone. These assistants are becoming more integrated with other apps and services. You can use them to schedule appointments, send messages, even control your TV, all with your voice. It's like having a central hub for your digital life. Email overload, AI to the rescue. How many of you dread opening your inbox because it feels like an endless black hole of messages? Yeah, me too. It's like every time you clear a few, 10 more pop up. Email can eat up so much time and mental energy. It's a constant battle to stay on top of it. But AI is stepping in to help us conquer this beast. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps. One of the biggest ways AI is changing the email game is with smart replies. These are not just random guesses, they're tailored to your communication style. Those little suggested responses that pop up when you're reading an email? Powered by AI. They save you time and effort. Services like Grammarly are using AI to take your email game to a whole new level. It's like having an editor right at your fingertips. Grammarly catches typos and grammatical errors and suggests improvements to your tone and clarity. It's like having a second pair of eyes. Think about it. How much time have you wasted rereading emails, trying to find the perfect wording? Probably more than you'd like to admit. AI can take care of all that for you. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you want to say. For those dealing with hundreds of emails a day, AI can be a game changer. It's like having an extra set of hands. AI-powered tools can help you prioritize your inbox, identify important messages, and even automate some responses. It's like having a superpower for your email. Now let's talk about scheduling, something that can be a real pain, especially when you're trying to coordinate with multiple people. It often feels like a never-ending game of email ping-pong, doesn't it? But what if I told you that AI could take the headache out of scheduling meetings and appointments? That's where tools like xAI and Motion come in. These AI assistants are designed to make your life easier by handling the nitty-gritty details for you. xAI is like having a virtual assistant that specializes in finding the perfect meeting time. Imagine never having to worry about conflicting schedules again. You connect it to your calendar, tell it who you need to meet with, and it takes care of the rest. It's that simple and efficient. It scans everyone's availability, suggests suitable times, and even sends out the invites. No more back-and-forth emails or missed opportunities. Instead of spending hours going back and forth, you just tell xAI, "Find a time for our team meeting next week." And it does all the heavy lifting. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Motion helps you manage your entire day, not just meetings. It's an all-in-one solution for your daily planning needs. It uses AI to optimize your schedule, prioritizing tasks, and even reshuffling things if something urgent comes up. This way, you can focus on what truly matters. Think of it like a super-powered to-do list that adapts to your day in real time. It's flexible, dynamic, and incredibly smart. No more double bookings, missed deadlines, or feeling stressed about trying to fit everything in. With AI assistants like these, you can finally take control of your schedule and breathe easy. Alright, for all my fellow writers, content creators, and anyone who's ever stared at a blank page with a looming deadline, this one's for you. We've all been there, feeling stuck and frustrated, wondering how to get those creative juices flowing again. AI is changing the game when it comes to writing and content creation. It's like having a magic wand that can help you overcome those creative blocks. Tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and Jasper can generate ideas, write outlines, and even draft entire pieces of content in minutes. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never gets tired and is always ready to help. These tools are not meant to replace human creativity and expertise. They are designed to complement our skills and enhance our productivity. Instead, they're here to augment our abilities and make the writing process smoother and more efficient. Think of them as your creative sidekick, always ready to lend a hand. Think of it like having a brainstorming partner or a super-fast research assistant at your fingertips. They can help you explore new angles and perspectives you might not have considered. You can give the AI a prompt, and it will generate a bunch of different options for you to choose from. It's like having a creative brainstorming session with a team of experts. You can then tweak them to fit your brand voice, add your own personal touch, and voila! You've got a killer caption without spending hours racking your brain. It's all about making the process more enjoyable and less stressful. These AI writing tools can help you with all sorts of content, from blog posts and articles to website copy, and even scripts like this one. They're versatile, efficient, and a game changer for anyone in the content creation space. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about something that's near and dear to all of our hearts: money. Managing our finances can feel like a chore, but AI is here to make it a whole lot easier. Apps like Mint, Clio, and Emma connect to your bank accounts and credit cards to give you a complete picture of your spending habits. They categorize your transactions, track your budget, and even send you personalized insights and recommendations. Mint can analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you might be able to save a few bucks. Clio makes budgeting more interactive and engaging. You can ask Clio questions like, "How much did I spend on eating out last month?" And it will give you friendly, non-judgmental answers. These AI-powered finance tools can help you stay on top of your money, reach your financial goals, and even reduce financial stress. So there you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that are already making our everyday lives easier, more efficient, and even a little bit more enjoyable. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to use them. Whether you're looking to streamline your inbox, schedule meetings like a pro, boost your writing productivity, or take control of your finances, there's an AI tool out there that can help. And as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and helpful tools to emerge in the near future.